Hello friends, I have been using the BOSCH TrueMix Pro 1000 watt mixer grinder for the last few days, and today I am going to give you my full honest review. Is it the best mixer for an Indian kitchen? Let's find out. First, the specs. It has a powerful 1000 watt motor. This is much higher than the standard 500 or 750 watt mixers. This means it can grind tough ingredients very quickly. The stone pounding technology. So this is a great technology which get the juice out of your ingredients and make it a good masala. The only disturbing thing here is the noise. It is loud and there is no denying that, but it is quite common in the 1000 watt mixer grinders. The noise will be very loud, and compared to the other mixers that I have seen like Preeti or Prestige or Bajaj mixer grinders, in their 1000 watt machines the sound is much louder than this. Because the motors are powerful, it sounds like a jet engine, but the speed is good here and it grinds well. So look at the result here. It is super fine and the jar is not very hot also. The pounding blade has done a great job keeping the aroma locked in. Full marks for the grinding. So for the idli or dosa batter also, which I have tested in my normal usage, the mixer don't struggles and don't get heated up, but it prepares the batter very well. The batter is smooth and fluffy. The active flow breakers inside the jar actually works. They push the ingredients down so you don't have to open the lid and stir it with a spoon again and again. Coming to its pros, that why this mixer worth it, or what are the advantages of this mixer. The first and the foremost is the power. It grinds anything you throw at it with that great power from the German engine. Yes, Bosch is a German company and the quality of the product reflects it. Stability, the suction feet are excellent. It never moves. Build quality, the stainless steel is of high grade and doesn't rust. So what are the disappointments? Only it has good things? No, it has bad things too. The noise is, it's very noisy, but it is the problem with all the 1000 watt mixer grinders. They are too noisy. Another disadvantage or cons I can tell is the size. It's a bit tall and bulky, so it takes up space on your counter. So what is my final verdict is, should you buy it or not? If you have a large family and you cook a lot of idli, dosa or make your own masala at home, this is a fantastic investment. A 1000 watt power saves you a lot of time. However, if you only make light chutneys or shakes, a 750 watt mixer might be enough for you. So I have left the buying links in the description and also tagged in this video. If you want to buy, you can check the links and buy it from there. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.